Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer in Ark Ascended. First, you need to craft a beer barrel. This essential structure is unlocked at level 36. To build it, you will need to gather 500 pieces of wood, 80 metal ingots, and 100 cementing paste. Once you have these materials, head over to your smithy and craft the beer barrel. This is the foundation for all your brewing adventures. After crafting, place your beer barrel in a suitable location. For brewing to occur, the barrel requires a constant water supply. You can achieve this by placing it in an irrigated area, connecting it directly to water pipes, or by simply placing empty water jars into its inventory. Ensuring your barrel has water is the next critical step before adding any ingredients for your brew. Now for the brewing itself. Open your beer barrel's inventory and add 40 pieces of thatch along with 50 of any kind of berries. The barrel will then begin the fermentation process, which takes approximately 6 in-game hours to produce 1 unit of beer liquid. Once the liquid is ready, simply place an empty water jar into the barrel, and it will transform into a consumable beer jar. Drinking beer in Ark Ascended offers both benefits and drawbacks. For 2 minutes, you'll enjoy increased insulation, enhanced damage resistance, and a 40% boost to your melee damage. However, this comes at the cost of rapidly depleting stamina. After the intoxication, a 1-minute hangover leaves you with 0 stamina. Beyond personal buffs, beer is essential for taming specific creatures, such as the Chalicotherium.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.